There's 5 major financing companies in the industry, and we're partnered with 3.
So the reason we're partnered with Service Finance is because they've been around for over 20 years. And that financing company gives us same as cash offers, which means we're not inflating the price at all. You know, if you go to buy a mattress and they say 0% for 5 years, you know that mattress ain't $1,800. They're selling it for $1,200 normally. And then they give you the sale price 0%, but you're actually paying $600 more. We don't do that. We actually give you the same as cash price. So there's no company that's actually in-house financing. It's all third party, and it's all regulated by the FTC through 50 states, all 50 states.